The Bill of Rights. All 10 amendments explained for the citizenship test key concept. First Amendment, freedom of expression. The First Amendment protects 5 fundamental freedoms: religion, speech, press, assembly, and the right to petition the government. It is the most tested amendment on the USCIS exam. Example: you have the right to practice any religion, or no religion, without government interference. Key concept. Second Amendment, right to bear arms. The Second Amendment protects the right of the people to keep and bear arms. The USCIS Civics test recognizes the right to bear arms as one of the rights everyone in the United States has. Example: law-abiding citizens have the right to own firearms, subject to some regulations. Key concept. Third and Fourth Amendments, quartering and search. The Third Amendment protects against soldiers being housed in your home without consent. The Fourth Amendment protects against unreasonable searches and seizures by the government. Example: police generally need a warrant to search your home. That's the Fourth Amendment in action. Key concept. Fifth and Sixth Amendments, due process and fair trial. The Fifth Amendment protects against self-incrimination and double jeopardy, and guarantees due process. The Sixth Amendment guarantees a speedy and public trial by jury in criminal cases. Example: when someone says they are pleading the Fifth, they are using their Fifth Amendment right not to testify against themselves. Key concept. Seventh and Eighth Amendments, civil trials and cruel punishment. The Seventh Amendment guarantees the right to a jury trial in civil cases involving significant money. The Eighth Amendment prohibits excessive bail, fines, and cruel and unusual punishment. Example: a court cannot impose a punishment that is extreme or disproportionate to the crime under the Eighth Amendment. Key concept. Ninth and Tenth Amendments, reserved rights and state powers. The Ninth Amendment says that just because a right is not listed in the Constitution does not mean people do not have that right. The Tenth Amendment reserves powers not given to the federal government to the states or the people. Example: many rights we take for granted, like the right to privacy, are protected under the Ninth Amendment even though they are not specifically listed. How the Bill of Rights connects to your citizenship test. Key points. Subscribe to Ready Ace Pass. New study guides and practice tests every week.